Hi, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. If you're new, oh yeah, Jesus Christ, we need to write this down, We need to write this down. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching. And everything that I used will be in the description bar below. And hope you like it.
Give me the work with the work, yeah. Give me the work with the work now. Give me the work with the work down.
So now I'm gonna be doing my makeup. I'm using a Sephora foundation. It is, I have no idea, 44 matte tan. They be doing it. Well, I'm gonna go do my makeup. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave in the comments what, well, not in the comments. What do you say? The description. Okay. So I'm gonna do my makeup and I am gonna leave in the description all the products that I'm using because I'm not this makeup guru to tell you, oh, I'm using the Sephora 238 shade. That's not me. So I'm gonna just leave it in the comments or the description and you will know. Okay, so I'll just show you what I'm using and it will be in the description. I use my fingers to do my foundation or pretty much my entire makeup. So everybody always wants to be like, oh Amanda, how do you do your makeup? I'm showing you now. And then I just rub it in. I don't like wearing a full coverage makeup because I feel like I'm a completely different person when I do, or the one time that I did. Maybe I might be a little bit different now, but this is all that I do. I take my fingers and I get an even finish of my makeup. I'm very simple when it comes to my makeup. Simple, simple. So that is done. What do I need to do? I am going to highlight, aka highlight, and I'm using, again, a Sephora. Description will be in the description. I don't know. But yeah, so I don't do much for my highlighting. I just do under the eyes. Ooh, under the eyes. And then I will take this and I'll run it down the center of my nose. Very simple. Go, go, go. And then I'm just going to take this finger, same finger that I just used to rub my concealer or foundation into my skin, is the same thing I'm doing now. Then I just rub that straight down. Very simple. I know you can still see the lines. And I just rub that out. And then I do that. And that's that. Blend out the end so it doesn't look so line. I just do that. So that is what I do. Then we're just gonna do something simple today. Nothing big. Just a simple, natural eye. And then I'm just gonna take this and that's what I'm gonna use for my eyeshadow. I'm gonna use a different color and I think I want a little darker color in my crease. So I'm just gonna go in like that. Ooh, a little too high. And that is that. And then maybe just a little light in the brow line or the brow bone. that. And all I am going to do next is just a little bit of blush. Oh, my shirt is full of hair. Oh, that was not a good idea. Oh well. All I'm gonna do is take this blush that I have and put it on my cheek. Forgot I was wearing white shirt. So now I am gonna do is put some lashes on, and I am using some Get Fancy lashes. I've been wearing them for some time now, so they are not in the packaging. And I'm just gonna use some duo glue. I am just gonna blow it till it gets tacky. So what I like to do with my glue, the reason why I like using the duo dark tone is because that when it goes on, it's like really light, a really light gray, and then when it gets tacky, it gets like a little darker. So I know that it's ready. Like the eyeliner. So I put it in the middle, then I tack it on the end, and then the other end. And then I squeeze them together. Right? So I go in, I take the lash, I bring it to the middle, and I take the end and I tuck it down. And that is how I do my lashes. And so now my lashes are done. And I am just gonna go in with the same shadow that I used for my eyeshadow. I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on top of where I had just above there. Then I'll take the same thing, run it down my nose, for extra shine. There. I don't overdo it. If it's too shiny, I wipe it off. My makeup is pretty much done, and all I gotta do is figure out what gloss is gonna go on them lips. And that's all I do. So and that's that. And this look can be straight. And if you want to add just a little bit more oomph to it, we can just simply curl, put a little curl in here, right? Put a little curl. Oops. Put a little curl in. Oh well. And the lashes that I'm wearing today is the Starling from Get Fancy.